Have you ever felt like you work, you earn money, but at the end of the month, you're still in the exact same place? Like you're moving forward, but nothing really stays built. Today, I want to explain one simple idea that separates people who always start from zero from those who slowly build something that grows on its own. It's called compound interest. Most people handle money in a very basic way. Money comes in, money goes out, and the cycle repeats. Spending isn't the problem. The real problem is not letting anything grow. It's like putting in a lot of time, but never building a base that helps you progress later. The people who move ahead aren't always the ones who earn the most. They're the ones who let part of their money keep working. That's where compound interest comes in. Compound interest means very simply, what you earn today doesn't just sit there. Tomorrow, it also starts earning. It doesn't grow in a straight line. It grows like a snowball. At the beginning, it looks unimpressive. You add a little and nothing exciting happens. But over time, that growth starts to speed up. It's like planting something small and letting time do the heavy lifting. If you add a little more every month and don't pull it out, there comes a point where growth depends less on what you add and more on what's already there. And this is the most important part. The real power of compound interest isn't money, it's time. You don't need to start with a lot. You need to start early. Two people can invest very different amounts, but the one who starts first almost always ends up ahead. It's like starting to build early. Progress might feel slow, but it stacks up. Time does the hardest work. That's why when people say it's too late to start, they're usually confusing speed with direction. What matters isn't how fast you move today, it's where you're heading over many years. Now, compound interest does have an enemy, and it's not low income, it's repeated bad decisions. Impulse spending, unnecessary debt, constantly moving your money out of fear, or putting it into things you don't understand. It's making good progress and then one careless mistake forces you to start over. For compound interest to work, you need three things. First, consistency, putting something in on a regular basis. Second, patience, accepting that results won't show up right away. And third, discipline, not sabotaging what's already growing. You don't need to be a finance expert. You don't need a lot of money. You don't need complicated strategies. You just need the habit of saving a portion, letting it grow, and giving it time. Because real growth doesn't feel exciting every day, but over the years, it makes a massive difference. So if there's one idea I want you to remember, it's this. Don't try to do everything fast. Do the right thing for long enough. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the work.